kids out in geometry land. I've missed you, and it's been a while since I put on a video. So we're gonna try this one on YouTube and upload the link, so hopefully that'll help you guys. I'm gonna finish up the test hints today. So I'm on your test, and I'm on number 12. It says a 3x5 rectangle is revolved about one of its sides of length 5 to create a solid of revolution. So we're gonna take a 3x5 rectangle, my little tiny board. So the height is 5 and this is 3. We're gonna revolve it around the 5 side. This is like the revolving door that we talked about in class. So you should know what the 3-dimensional solid is. If I take a rectangle door and I spin it around in a revolving door, it becomes a cylinder. So here's your cylinder that it becomes. And it has a height of 5 and a radius of 3. And they want us to find the volume. So volume of a cylinder, pi r squared h. Plug in your 3 for your radius, your 5 for your height, and you're off and running. I believe it says leave it in terms of pi. Yes, it does. Awesome. Second part of that, same concept. 3, 4, 5 right triangles. So I've got a right triangle. Same thing. I'm going to spin it around the side of length 4. Oh man, didn't do this good because I'm going to run off the board. Anyway, if I spin a triangle around and around and around, you all know it becomes a cone. Very good. So it becomes a cone, kind of sort of like that. Oops. It was a 3, 4, 5. If this is a right triangle, the longest side has to be called the hypotenuse, so that's your 5. And your radius is 3. So volume formula, 1/3 pi r squared h. 1/3 because it comes to a point. And your radius is 3, and your height is 4. And again, off and running, and leave it in terms of pi. Okay, I'm going to give you a hint for one of your test questions as well. Or not test, module 3 review. I got quarantine brain, kids. Okay, so it says in right triangle RST below, or to the side, altitude SB is drawn to hypotenuse RT. I know, I'm funny. So anyway, you have a right angle at S, and it's drawn to the hypotenuse, and it's an altitude, so you have another right triangle. So this is the one we talked about in class. These are the spots, anything coming from the top. So we are looking for ST. So that is our thing coming from the top. So X is going to go across from X. And RV is 4.1. And TV is 10.2. And we're looking for the thing that's on the side. So when it's on the side, remember it's closest and whole thing. So 10.2 and 14.3. How do you like that quick math? Awesome. I can add decimals in my head. I miss you guys. I wish I could just teach in front of you instead of like this. Cross multiply, careful, x times x is x squared, and you're going to have to take the square root. Good luck. I'll have another one up in a couple days. Miss you. Bye.